Hi everyone. Today I've just replaced a slave cylinder in a Kona, which has the IMT transmission, which is basically intelligent manual transmission, and it does not have like a normal. It's a clutch drive by wire. It's not a clutch drive by hydraulic system or by cable. So every time you're gonna take it apart, you'll start the car and then you get this flashing on the screen. You might get a steady E or a flashing N. You put it in first gear, it will tell you it's flashing, still flashing in all the gears, as you can see there. There we go, 5/5, and obviously reverse, but it's still flashing. You scan the fault code, no fault code there present. So what do? Well, it's simple. We're just gonna drive the vehicle. The vehicle needs to know while driving if it's the right gear. Just because you can see there you got first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and also the reverse, it only means that the sensor it's working just fine. It's just the car needs to know that. So we'll go for road test and then we'll see if that light is gonna become steady N. So let's go for road test. Obviously I'm not gonna film this because it's not legal, but I'll come back after the road test. And we're back, and we only did probably 1 mile. So all we did is just do first, second, third, fourth and fifth, and then gone back again, 5, 4, third to second, and then first, and then you can see there the light is steady now. That's all it is. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.